In this video, we'll go through several steps to optimize your Zyro site for search engines. The good news is that you can rank on Google with Zyro and hosting a website builder. We should set up sitewide SEO configuration before doing anything else. There are 5 simple steps in this process. Press the gear icon in the left sidebar of the editor. Find SEO. Give your site business or brand name. Let's proceed to the second step. Here we choose English. Now we should describe our business. 1 to 2 sentences will be enough. Here it is. Now we should choose the top 3 keywords. Website builders. This one is good. Build your site. Great. And then let's say that we choose faster. Let's click here. And it will generate us a title and meta description. If needed, you can edit titles and meta descriptions in the same place, but I'll click Finish. If you click on your title or meta description, you can see hints that you should keep your titles up to 60 characters and meta descriptions up to 160 characters, which is a good piece of advice. You can also hide page from search results by checking this box. It will not be shown in search results now. You can generate titles and meta descriptions for any page of your site. How to do it? Let's refresh. Go to Pages, choose your page and press the gear icon. Here pick SEO settings and follow the same steps. Describe your business, choose the best 3 keywords, and check the generated content. And you will have your titles and meta descriptions. The next step on our SEO checklist. Now we should connect to Google Search Console. This tool provides a huge pool of data on your search performance on Google. Don't worry, the process is pretty simple. First, you should go to Google Search Console. I will provide the link in the description. Here we have 2 options, the domain method and the URL prefix method. I will advise to go with the first one. Here you should enter your domain. Then you should click Continue. Now we have some instructions. In our case, you should copy this code and go to HPanel. Now we are in HPanel. Go to Domains. Choose the domain you want to edit. Click DNS and name servers. Specify the record type. We need TXT. Then paste your value. Now you can add the record. The final step, you should check whether it's working. You should get the following message. The domain is verified. Let's add our sitemap to Google Search Console. Sitemaps help search engines to crawl and understand the site better. How to do it? Find indexing category, then click Sitemaps, and you are here. Then paste your URL here. Depending on your domain setup, the URL can contain the 3W prefix or can be without it. Click Submit and you are done. Sitemaps are good, but what if you want to index a specific page faster? Here comes the URL inspection tool inside Google Search Console. To access it, click here, or you can Click here. Now let's test this tool. Imagine we want to index this URL faster. Click on it. It can take a while. Then you press request indexing and it should be indexed shortly. You can also check whether the page is mobile friendly and the structured data types used on it. Finally, you can check when the page was crawled last time. Our page was crawled on the 17th of May. Great, let's close it and proceed to the next step. Finally, let's do some on-page SEO. We have a blog post here. First, let's change the post title. Here you will paste your title. Here it is. Then give a meta description. Our meta description. You can also customize your slug. I will make it shorter. Okay, will do. I will not assign any post writers and will leave this date. Other important steps are specifying the category. Let's select one. Great, we have selected one. And the final step will be to select a featured image. Let's select it and click Save. Great. Let's continue. Now let's edit some text. First, I will paste it here. It's worth mentioning that your title is your heading 1. That's why our next headings will be heading 2. We have some hints here. This one will be our H2, and this one, and this one. Let's make it. It is now the paragraph 2. We will change it to heading 2. Great. I will continue with other ones. Now I have finished with headings. Okay, it looks like a list to me, a large list. Let's make it a list. Let's make this text bold. Okay, great. Let's check the alt text for this image. Here you can specify it. We'll call it like this. Now let's add one external link. It will be here. My anchor will be table of contents, can be very useful. I will link to a very trustworthy page. The link will open in a new tab. It is very important for external links, but I can make it followed. The general rule about no follow and follow links is if you trust the page or the source and the link is not paid, you can make the link followed. Here we have a very trustworthy source and the link is not paid. That's why I will make it followed. Let's click Save. Let's add one more link, but it will be internal. Let's say we want to add our link here. We'll specify the address. The link will not open in a new tab, and the link will be followed. You should make your internal links followed, so search engines can discover them. Let's click Save, and we're done. We have reached the end of this video, and I hope you find it useful. What do you think about Zyro SEO features? Drop the comments below or ask your questions.